there, my name is Harrison Greenough. I'm a realtor in Maryland, and I'm making a video series here to help you guys figure out how to put in a really strong offer, and in general, what the offer contains, and explain each document so that you fully understand it before you sign those documents, and to help, for example, buyers and sellers that are working without an agent to understand them, because ultimately, although I am a real estate agent and I write these contracts every day, I want you guys to have the ability to understand them even if you aren't using an agent. So look through our videos, rewind them, replay them, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me directly. Thanks, and let's get started. Notice and disclosure of deferred water and sewer charges. This is very important because oftentimes, specifically in newer developments, the developer will offset the charges of connecting the public sewer system to the homeowners or the community in which it was built. So, for example, if a new development by, say, Ryan Homes is developed on the outskirts of Baltimore City or something, or maybe Baltimore County, often the developer, in this case Ryan Homes would, for example, offset the cost of connecting to the public water and sewer supply, because it's kind of a public gesture. It needs to be done. It's for the best of everybody, but they're not going to pay for it. They're going to have the homeowners pay for it over time. Now, it's often a very expensive project, so they have it go for, 10, 20, some odd years, and it could be X amount of money payable annually or sometimes quarterly, but generally, there's some annual deferred water fee or sewer fee. So this is the disclosure that needs to be put out by the sellers of the property to inform the buyers of the property that there is some type of fee that is put upon yearly or whatever the time frame is until X date. So this is very important. As a buyer, you need to be aware that it is the seller's obligation to tell you. At the very bottom of this, if the seller is subject to this law fails to comply prior to settlement, the buyer is entitled to rescind in writing the sales contract without penalty or liability. And B, after settlement, the seller will be liable to buyer for the full amount of any fee or assessment if it's not disclosed. As the seller, you need to go ahead and put down what the payable amount is, when it is payable, until what date, and to whom. Hereby, this is called a lien holder. Whomever is charging that amount is the lien holder. All other terms and conditions of the contract of sale remain in full force and effect, and the buyers and sellers should sign and date. Thanks again for watching. If you have any questions or you would like to talk about potentially buying or selling a property, please feel free to contact me. My information is below, and I would love to reach out to you and talk. So feel free to contact me, and have a great rest of your day.